Hey everyone, welcome to English with Confidence. If you want to speak English confidently at work but feel nervous, this lesson is made for you. Today's title is English for Work Made Easy and Funny Talks and Easy Conversations for Beginners. In this long, fun podcast, we will teach you practical English for many workplace situations with easy conversations and plenty of funny moments. You'll learn useful phrases, polite expressions, and natural sentences, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. A2, B1. Turn on subtitles, repeat after us, and practice speaking. Let's make English for Work simple, useful, and enjoyable. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this extended English podcast. Today's topic is English for Work Made Easy, funny talks and easy conversations for beginners. Why is workplace English so important these days?
Because many people feel nervous or shy when speaking English at work. They know grammar but don't know what to say in real situations. Today, we'll learn many practical conversations with funny moments so you can remember them easily and enjoy learning.
Great! We will cover many real work situations today. Listeners, repeat every sentence after us loudly. This is your speaking practice time. Don't be shy.
Let's start with morning greetings at the office.
Good morning, team.
Good morning. You look very energetic today. Did you drink 10 cups of coffee?
Haha, only 3. How was your morning?
Terrible. My alarm didn't ring, so I ran to the office like an Olympic athlete.
Let's practice more natural greetings. Hi, everyone. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. A bit sleepy, but ready for the day.
Now, let's talk about small talk before meetings.
Did you watch the football match last night?
Yes, it was amazing. I stayed up until 1 a.m.
No wonder you look tired. Next time, record it and watch in the morning.
Good advice. Now, starting a meeting.
Okay, everyone, let's begin. Who wants to start?
I can start, but first, can someone explain why the coffee machine is always broken?
Good question. We need a new one. Let's put it on the agenda.
Let's practice asking for help politely. Excuse me, could you help me with this report? I'm not sure about the numbers.
Of course. Let me check. Oh, this number looks wrong. It says we earned $1 million. From selling pencils?
Oops, I made a mistake. Thank you for catching that.
No problem. We all make mistakes.
Now, ordering lunch, always a fun topic.
What should we order today?
I want pizza, but yesterday I said I would eat healthy.
1 slice of pizza won't hurt. Or maybe 5 slices?
Let's get pizza and pretend it's vegetables with cheese. Now, the classic problem, the printer. This printer is not working again. It's my enemy.
Maybe it needs love. Have you tried saying please to it?
Dear printer, please print my document. I beg you.
Still nothing. I think it's on vacation.
Let's practice a longer phone conversation.
Hello, this is Anna from Sales Department.
Hi, Anna. This is David. I'm calling about the new client meeting. Can we reschedule it?
Sure. When are you free?
How about Thursday at 10 a.m.?
That works. I'll send a calendar invitation.
Thank you. You're very helpful. Now, let's do a funny video call situation. Sorry I'm late. My internet was slow.
No problem. But why is there a big pillow behind you?
Oh no, I forgot to change my background. I was working from bed today.
You look very comfortable. Next time, use a normal background.
Let's practice giving and receiving feedback.
Your presentation was good, but try to speak slower next time.
Thank you for the feedback. I'll practice more.
You're doing well overall. Keep going.
Now, a longer conversation talking about workload.
I have too much work this week. I feel stressed.
I understand. Maybe we can share some tasks. What can I help you with?
Could you check the client emails for me?
Sure, no problem. We're a team.
Thank you so much. You saved my day.
Let's practice casual talk during coffee break.
This coffee is so strong today.
Yes, it can wake up a dead person. What are your plans for the weekend?
I want to sleep, eat, and watch movies. Nothing productive.
Sounds like a perfect weekend to me.
Now let's practice asking for a day off.
Hi, boss. May I take a day off next Monday?
Sure. Is everything okay?
Yes, I have a doctor's appointment. I'll finish all my tasks before then.
No problem. Thank you for planning ahead.
Now, a funny situation, forgetting someone's name.
Hi, sorry, I forgot your name again.
It's okay. I'm Mike. I forget names too.
Nice to meet you again, Mike, for the third time this month.
Let's review important workplace phrases. Could you please help me with? How about rescheduling the meeting? Thank you for the feedback. I'll send it right away. Would it be possible to? I'm sorry for the delay. Let's work as a team.
Let's do more shadowing practice with full sentences.
Could you please check this document for me?
I'm sorry for the late reply.
I'm sorry for the late reply.
Thank you for your hard work.
Would it be possible to finish this by Friday? More useful situations. Writing professional emails.
Always start with dear or hi and end with best regards or thank you.
Example, Dear team, I hope this email finds you well. Please find the attached report.
That sounds professional and polite.
Now, let's practice a longer, funny conversation during team lunch.
This salad tastes like plastic.
Try my pizza. It has vegetables somewhere under the cheese.
I think I need to bring lunch from home next time.
Good idea. My cooking is also terrible, but at least it's free.
Final tips for English at work. Speak slowly and clearly. It's okay to say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Smile when you speak. It makes you sound friendly. Practice common phrases every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Which work situation do you find most difficult? Meetings, phone calls, emails, or talking with your boss? Write in the comments and we may make a new lesson about it.
Thank you so much for staying with us through this long lesson. Keep practicing these conversations every day at work.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for more English for Work Made Easy episodes.
Wishing you a productive and fun day at work tomorrow.
Keep smiling and keep speaking English with confidence. See you next time.